In this section, you will learn the indications of and response to a zone temperature controller fault. These indications appear in flight. They indicate an overheat or a control fault in one compartment. Now touch the correct control in response to these indications. Correct. With the temperature control selector positioned to off, the affected zone receives air only from the packs. Trim air is no longer available for the zone. The pack air temperature is set by the selector, commanding the coolest temperature in the remaining zones. The affected zone may continue to be too warm or too cold. Touch the control that will set the zone to a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. That's not correct. Touch the trim air switch. Correct. Positioning the trim air switch to off commands both packs to maintain a 24 degrees Celsius cabin temperature. The temperature control selector in-off lights come on, and ICAS advisory messages appear. You have completed this section. Touch Advance to continue to the next section.